Hello, class, and welcome to week 4. This is midterm week for the class, and really that's our focus for you to complete the midterm. It won't be accessible until Friday of this week, and you'll have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to complete it. You'll have an hour and a half total. It's all in Connect. It's a combination of multiple choice questions and then open-ended quantitative problems, just like those that you've been completing in your homework assignments. So there really won't be any surprises. You'll really see problems just like those that you've been completing, but different numbers or slightly different scenarios. You will not have access to your ebook during the test. However, you have access to all of the PowerPoints and any notes that you've taken. So you have plenty of resource at your fingertips to assist you during the examination. Even though you can't access it until Friday, there is other content that I was hoping you might be able to work on, and it might help you to manage your time a little better. I'm always so conscientious of these condensed courses feeling overwhelming because I know you all have jobs, lives, responsibilities, and I don't want you to feel overloaded with work to the point where you're cherry picking and you're not able to get good learning in. So I hope that you're able to get some good learning in. So what I would encourage you to do at the start of this week, other than prepping for the examination, is to complete your IKEA case study with your teammates. That is due by midnight on Sunday, and just make sure that one teammate uploads it. And then you are also going to need to choose a chapter to focus on, either chapter 9 or chapter 12, and you're going to pick an associated case study from one of those chapters to complete. Chapter 9 looks at service processes. Specifically, it looks at the characteristics of services, as well as service system organization and service system design. And you will be examining these elements through the Pizza USA case study, if you so choose, and you'll be completing a flow chart or a diagram that shows the system, potential failures, and then corresponding poka-yokes or ways to accommodate those failures. So that's one option, one chapter, one topic that you could choose to complete as your independent case study for the class. If, however, you aren't as interested in these aspects, perhaps Chapter 12 would interest you. Chapter 12 looks at Six Sigma quality, and Six Sigma quality is a philosophy and method that is employed by certain companies to eliminate defects in their products and processes. So read the chapter and then look at the Toyota case study that accompanies it. See if that one interests you. And then if it does, then you will complete the 3 questions that follow it. Both of these case studies, regardless of which one you choose, needs to be 2 to 3 pages total double spaced. So look at the rubrics, read each case study, pick a topic that interests you the most, and then get started. This assignment you will have about 2 weeks to complete. It won't be due until Sunday, August 5th. So that will be next week. But I would encourage you to get started as quickly as you can. And remember, as the course is going on, you also want to be completing and working on your research paper, which is due during week 6. So that is it. I hope you have a blessed week. If you have any questions as you prepare for the midterm examination, or if you have questions over these case studies that I've so briefly gone over, or if you have questions over your IKEA case study that you're working on with your group, please don't hesitate to text me or email me. I try to get back as quickly as I can, and I'm here to support you in any way that I can. So please reach out if you're having any issues, questions, or concerns. God bless. Hope you have a great week.